Dirt Smart. Tips and techniques for irrigation technicians, helping you save time and money.
Infinity sprinkler heads, sprinkler tools, sprinkler threads, MPT and Acme, sprinkler teardown, sprinkler assembly, left arc adjustment, right arc adjustment, pressure regulation adjustment, dual trajectory adjustment, trajectory adjustment, and radius reduction adjustment.
Sprinkler tools. We have our flag key, our multi-purpose tool, our valve removal tools, our valve insertion tools, snap ring pliers, and our riser hold-up tools. One important thing to note is that the sprinklers come with two different types of threads. You have nominal pipe threads, which will have a black base. They will go on a fitting that does not have an O-ring and will require Teflon tape when installing. Acme threads will come with a gray base on the sprinkler head and will go to a fitting that does have an O-ring and does not require Teflon tape to install. Sprinkler teardown. Remove the sprinkler riser assembly. Insert the multi-purpose tool into the slot of riser cap. Tilt tool back to lock it in. Pull up riser and grasp firmly. With the multi-purpose tool, push seal retainer down hard to release snap ring. Insert multi-purpose tool into snap ring slot. Twist and remove snap ring. Carefully remove the riser assembly. The spring will push against your hand. Remove the drive assembly from the riser. Remove the screen and stator. Remove the small Phillips screw. Pliers can be used to pull the drive assembly out of the housing. Remove the main valve. Place the manual selector into the on position to ensure water is off and pressure relieved. You will need long pliers. Push down on the center of the valve cylinder to release the pressure. Then grasp snap ring at hooks and squeeze together. Give the handles a little twist as you squeeze them and watch for which hook protrudes out of the body's snap ring groove. Grab the hook that is furthest out and pull up while twisting. Twist the pliers in the direction toward the other hook while slowly pulling it upward and out of the body. Do a complete 360-degree twist if needed. This one. Using the pliers, remove the main valve assembly. For stuck valve assemblies, a valve puller tool can be used. Remove the rock screen. Using the pliers, remove the rock screen. Clean or replace as necessary. Sprinkler assembly. Install the rock screen. Using the pliers, press the rock screen back into position. Install the main valve using a valve insertion tool. There are two tools, one for 1.5 inch and one for 1 inch. These are for the Infinity models but are backwards compatible with other heads. Load the snap ring into the insertion tool. Trigger is in the down position. step side of the ring faces up. Ring hooks are hooked around the insertion tool prongs. Align valve communication port with notch on insertion tool. Load valve assembly onto tool. You'll want to start with the communication port side down and tilt it back onto it for easy installation. Insert valve assembly. Align the tool handle, the snap ring, and the valve with the notch in the body. Push tool down completely, then pull up on trigger to release the snap ring. The snap ring will snap into groove when properly installed. Remove the tool. Remove insertion tool and visually check the snap ring to confirm that it's fully seated in groove and snap ring ears are expanded. Install the drive assembly in the riser. Insert the drive assembly into the housing. These are how it will line up inside of the housing. Install the small Phillips screw, then stator, then rock screen. Install the riser assembly. Insert the hold-up tool into the nozzle notch and riser spring collar. On the dual trajectory, part circle and full circles, the tool will go in the back nozzle. On the true trajectory, it will go on the intermediate nozzle. Note locations of alignment notch and rib. Center the ratchet ring on the alignment notch and insert riser. Press retainer O-ring assembly down below the snap ring groove. Put snap ring step side up around the riser body. Push snap ring down until it snaps into place. The multi-purpose tool can help. Remove hold-up tool and lower riser to retracted position. Left arc adjustment. Setting the left arc. Pull the sprinkler riser up from the body using the sprinkler tool. The left side of arc, located at the end of the counterclockwise rotation, is non-adjustable, fixed. So all arc adjustments will change the right side of arc. That said, the left arc can easily ratchet adjust to set the left edge where it needs to be. Find the sprinkler left stop by grabbing and rotating the nozzle turret counterclockwise until it stops at the left stop. The main nozzle is now aligned with the left stop. If the nozzle left stop falls short of the desired left side of arc, then grab and rotate the riser. Turn it until it aligns with the desired left side of arc. As it turns, you will hear it ratchet. If the nozzle left stop exceeds the border of the desired coverage or left side of arc, then grab and rotate the turret clockwise to the right stop. From the right stop, continue to advance the turret the same distance that the left stop exceeded the border. As it turns, you will hear it ratchet. Why this works. These things work together to keep the left arc positioned and adjustable. right arc adjustment. Setting the right arc. Right arc adjustments are made without the sprinkler running. Pull the sprinkler riser up from the body using the sprinkler tool. Find the sprinkler's right stop by rotating the turret clockwise until it stops. If the sprinkler is set to 360, it will rotate clockwise only. Rotate the nozzle turret to the right stop. Hold the sprinkler riser firmly while pressing the release on the adjustment band with your right hand. With your left hand, rotate the nozzle turret in either direction to the desired right stop. Use the main nozzle to aim where it should be. The amount turned equals the amount changed, a 1-to-1 ratio. Additional information. The adjustment band has markers at predetermined arcs, 90, 180, 270, or 360 for reference. The arrow molded on the nozzle turret will point toward the gray band to show you the arc. Adjustable from 40 degrees to 330 degrees in 5-degree increments. A clutch assembly in the nozzle turret will let you aim and hold the turret for syringing without doing damage. Pressure regulation adjustment. We can adjust the set pressure on the pilot valve, which is inside of your Infinity casing. First, you will remove the top, the cap, removing 3 screws to access the inside. Remove screw securing pilot valve assembly. Carefully slide assembly out. This can be done with the head pressurized, as when this is pulled out, a check valve will keep the head from turning on. Adjust the pressure setting. Loosen the adjustment knob. Move the adjustment knob up or down to one of the desired preset pressure settings. 100 psi, 80 psi, 65 psi, or 50 psi. Tighten the adjustment knob. Dual trajectory adjustment. Pull up the riser and remove cap screw and cap to unlock the main nozzle. Place your riser hold-up tool to assist with this. Use a 5/8 inch nut driver to turn the main nozzle assembly. With the angle indicator towards the right, it is set at 25 degrees. With the angle indicator towards the left, it is set at 15 degrees. Trajectory adjustment. Adjusting the trajectory. Use a 5/16 inch nut driver socket to make adjustment. Adjusts from 7 degrees to 30 degrees in 1 degree increments. Clockwise to decrease or lower. Counterclockwise to increase or raise. Dirt Smart. Tips and techniques for irrigation technicians, helping you save time and money.